So this is exactly what you're going to receive. It's a little bit off. Actually, no, it's right on. Okay. All the prints we do, this is an older print, but what we normally do is we do an installing mark, one here in the corners, here and here. So on the installing marks, it just shows you where the corners are at, so it's perfectly lined up. And so I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. Okay, next, what I'm going to do, or you can do, is fight with the vinyl and try to get it off with your fingers. Well, it's right here. Duh. Okay. Let me go on a flat surface real quick. Hold on. Grab your table. That's what I'm doing right now over here. You can't see it. Grab a table and then bring the vinyl down probably 4 or 5 inches. Just a lot easier. And then you do is you crease it. Okay. Heck, a lot easier to do on the table. Okay, that's what I did was I creased it. So brought it down 4 or 5 inches. So I'm going to aim for this corner right here and aim for that corner. And this vinyl is a high quality vinyl, and it's designed to be lifted up and moved around. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk it over here. So now I tacked it on this side. Now I'm going to tack it, and then also, yeah, it looks pretty good to me. You can also lift it, so it's kind of more relaxed. You can actually almost use your hands. In every order we do, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. Every order we do, we use you get a squeegee and a knife, so you don't have to go out and buy the squeegee and knife. Okay. So once it's exactly where you want it to be, it's pretty good. You know what? It's going to move it over just a little bit. And granted, no one's going to see these in the back because it's our shop and no one goes in the back except for us. But I just want to show you the vinyl can actually, you can pull it off and put it right back on. And I'm kind of walking it in. And I'm showing you we're getting anal right now. Just showing you how it's done. And I'm trying to make it just show you, keep it as realistic as possible. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Now you pull it off and kind of let it hang like this. This is actually a perfect way to do it. If you let it hang and just kind of use you can actually pull it down like this and make it taut, and it brings the vinyl evenly down. You can have 2 people do it if you want. You have here and here, and then have one person do it that way. If you screw up like an air bubble right here, you can just go like this, pull it up, start all over, bring it down. This is the beauty of using a high quality vinyl. And you can kind of see, granted I'm a professional installer, but I'm trying to make it, show you it's not that hard to do. Okay, now for the corners, around the round edges, I sometimes just use my finger. You can actually feel, let's see if I can get a little closer shot of this. Okay. Okay, so just use your finger. And now I'm going to show you the top part. Hopefully you can see that. Right where it curves. So it curves right about there, okay? I'm just gonna go straight up. Same thing over here. I'm gonna go straight up, right where it starts curving. Just use you can use your squeegee if you want, or you can just use your hand. Okay. This is how I would tackle it. I would now use my knife and run against it until it starts straightening out right about there. Everyone's a little bit different, but I'm showing you the way I would install this. Actually, of course, the handle or the thing's right there. I'll do it on the other side too. Okay, so it's just kind of laying down, okay? Now, take your knife and kind of walk it this way now. And then you can actually see where the overlaps a little bit. And I'm just cutting probably a quarter inch. Okay, this is how I would do it. So it's actually laying down. Let's see if you can actually see this a little bit better. Okay, can you see that? Yeah. I mean, granted, it's not perfect, but I'm showing you the way I would do it for those edges. Okay, let's see if I can do it on this side again. God, I wish I could get this camera a little higher. That's the highest it can goes. Okay, again, it's laying down, and I'm just going to take my knife. I'm going to run, to it, and then go right where it starts curving, right about there. Okay, I'm going to have it lay down. Now, I'm going to take my knife. I'm going to go this way. Okay. And then I can see where it's overlapping. I don't know if you can see that. You can't see it. I'm going to, again, do about a quarter inch inwards. So it's overlapping. Believe it or not, the vinyl does shrink in time. And that's the reason why you want a quarter inch, because it's going to shrink a little bit less than a quarter inch. Okay. Okay, let's stand back on this one right here. Let's just do a little fine tuning. Okay, now what you can do is you can open, oops, wrong way. It's the other way. You can open the door, and you can use a little bit of heat too. The heat actually activates it a little bit more. Okay, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut. Now on this bottom, not a lot of people are going to see the bottom. Okay, let's get more view. Right where it starts curving, just go straight down. Now I'm going to lift the underneath, just like that. And now on this bottom part, not a lot of people are going to see the bottom part. So I'm just going to take my knife and I'm just going to cut the excess off. Same thing over here. Let's get a little closer view right there. Okay, just go straight across. And you can, if you want, just again cut right here and then kind of loop it in. Same thing, the top part right here. Okay, right here. Let's cut this side so we can actually open the door easily. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cut almost straight. And again, there's a cap going to be right here. Okay, so I'm going to loop it in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door all the way. Let's go back this way. Okay, and take the stripping off. And let's put it right back on. And again, this is leftover vinyl, so it is not an exact fit, but I just don't like wasting vinyl if I don't have to. And I know this is a demonstration, but okay, again, there's a lot of extra vinyl right here, so what I'm going to do is go halfway. And again, just take the weather or the stripping off. The stripping. And then you can put it right back on. And it's a nice looking tight fit. Okay. Let's do the freezer door. Fridge door.